Simplify indices. Last video we are trying to solve A to F, and this video we are starting from number G. Here is 4 to the power x plus 2 minus 4 to the power x equals to 15 over 16. So this one, just to simplify, it means 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 2 minus 4 to the power x equals to 15 divide 16. Look, why 4 to the power x plus 2 become 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 2? Because we know once a to the power m plus n, it means we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Now here is 4 to the power x and 4 to the power x, we can take common this one. So here is 4 square, we can write this one is 16, and minus 4 to the power x common, we can take common, so here is 1 equals to 15 divide 16, and 4 to the power x times 16 minus 1, it will be 15 equals to 15 divide 16. Now we divide both sides by 15, so it will be 4 to the power x equals to 1 by 16. We can write a side note, divide both sides by 15. Okay, so here is 4 to the power x equals to 1 by 16. Here 4 to the power x and 1 divide 4 square. And now we can write 4 to the power x equals to 4 to the power minus 2. This is law of negative exponent. It means 1 divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power minus n. Now look, here base are same, 4 and 4. So we can write x equals to minus 2. This is our answer. So number E done. Sorry, number G done. We already complete up to F. Note that last video you will get in the description box. Now number H. Number H. 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x divide 2 equals to 1. So this one we just simply take common 4 to the power x. So here is 1 and here is 1 by 2 and here is equals to 1. So 4 to the power x, here is 2 minus 1 divide 2. We'll make this one LCM equals to m1. So 4 to the power x, so 1 divide 2 equals to 1. So it will be 4 to the power x equals to 2, right? Then what can we do? Here is 4 to the power x equals to 2. Now this 4 to the power x, we can write 2 to the power 2x equals to 2. Why we are doing this one? Because we want to make same base in both sides. So here 2 and these 2 means 2 to the power 1. So look, 2 and 2 is equal base, so power will be equal. So 2x equals to 1. Now x equals to what? Very easy. Once we divide both sides by 2, it will be 1 by 2. So this is our answer. So number H done. Now number I, which is 5 to the power x plus 3 times 5 to the power x equals to 4. So very simple, this one we can take common 5 to the power x. So here is 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So 5 to the power x times 1 plus 3 means 4 equals to 4. Now we will divide both sides by 5 to the 4. So here is 1. 5 to the power x equals to 1. Now what can we do? We can write this one very simple. We have to make 5 also in this side. How? Look, 5 to the power x, and this one we can write 5 to the power 0 because we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. Now look, both base are same, so we can write x equals to 0, and this is our answer. So number I also done. And final math, this is J. Let's start. J, here is minus 1 by 5 times x cube plus 3 by 5 equals to minus 1. So very simple, minus 1 by 5 x cube, and this 3 by 5 we will transfer to right side. So here is minus 1 and again minus 3 by 5. So here is minus 1 by 5 x cube, and we will make LCM. So here is 5, so minus 5 minus 3, so here is minus 1 by 5 x cube equals to minus 8 divide 5. So x cube equals to, first of all we will divide or multiply both sides by minus 1. So it will become, we can make one line more, 1 by 5, and here is 8 divide 5. We can write multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay, so minus out. Now we will multiply again 5 both sides. So here is x cube and here is 8. Again we can write multiply both sides by 5, right? So here is x cube equals to 8, x cube, this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. So our answer is x equals to 2. Why? Because base are same, so sorry, power are same, that's why base will be equal. So this is our answer, x equals to 2. And thank you very much who keep concentration at least last moment. And this A to J we are trying to solve two part. So first A to F, A part, one part, and Z to J, another part. So you will get this link in the description box, and if you think this video is helping you, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And if you have any problem or anything, just write a line in the comments box. Thank you.